Class 9, Chapter 1, The Story of Village Palampur. Student, today will we start the economic parts of your book. And we have completed two chapters of geography. First is India, location and size. Second is physical features of India. Or I think you can be understanding this very well. If you have any problem, then you learn. You will be watch again and again and read again and again the notes and write down the notes, and you can be understand very well. Now in this chapter we will discuss about these topics: overview, introductions, organizations of productions, farming in Palampur, and non-farm activity in Palampur. Today we will discuss about overview, introductions, organization of productions. Student, this is the story of a hypothetical village which name was Palampur. And to introduction some basic concept relating to productions. Here is the all types of the productions as they happen: small scale manufacturing, dairy, transport, etc. are the carried out in the on a limited scale in this village, and various resources combine the produce the desired goods and the services in the village. It means that here is the proper activities, economic activity, which is giving the desired goods. It fulfill all the demands of the villagers and the services, and provide the services to the village person. And now the introduction is there. Introduction first is there. Palampur is a very small village and well connected with the neighboring village and towns like Raiganj. It means that here is a here is a very well connected roads are there, so that he was connecting to the other towns. Here is a bullock cars, tongas, motorcycle, jeep, tractor, and the trucks. All types of the vehicles we can be say here for the transport facilities are the available on the road of Palampur. And this village has the two primary and one high school. It means that he for the education purpose it is also the good, and has a primary health center which is run by the government, and the one private dispensary also is there. It means that this is a very prosperous village. And here in this village there is a 450 different caste families that are living in here, and from the 450 different castes, here is the 80% are the upper caste family, and they have the land majority in this village, and then one third of the total is the production is covered by the scheduled caste. And most of the houses have the electric connections. It is a very important about that. It means that in a Palampur there is a electric connection is a very proper. And small manufacturing, transport, shopkeeping, and the farming are the production activity of the village of the Palampur. All types of the facility, transport and other facilities are found in a Palampur. Now we will discuss about the organization of the productions. Which types of the organization is found in a Palampur for the production. The main aim of the production to produce the goods and the services so that they can be fulfilled the essential things of the villages. First is the land and others is natural resources. All of you know that these are the very important things for the economic activity. Natural resources means that water, forest, minerals. Second point is labor. Intensive industry labor is required for financial aid capital is required, and in any economic activity we needed the labor. And then second thing is we needed the financials, prosperity, financials help about that. And next one is that physical capitals are also required for the production. So these are the basic things for the economic activity which is needed for economic activity. Now we will discuss about the working capital and fixed capital and human capital. Working capital, it means that raw materials and the money in a hand, it is known as the working capital. And fixed capital, it means that included tools, machines, and in a human capital capital means that labor is also required for the selling purpose. So these are the three capitals. We will learn these definitions. Now we will discuss about the farming in a Palampur. Which types of the farming is done in a Palampur? So these are the farming in a Palampur is based on the following factor. First is the land is fixed. Second is change in the method of cultivations, multiple cropping, modern farming, sustainability of land, distributions of land, labor, capital, and selling of farms products. So student, we will discuss only this one from here, and today homework is there. They write down the following definitions: working capital, fixed capital, and human capitals.